हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आ गए हैं पार्ट नंबर 2 पर। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं। सो हियर वी स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट मेथड, दैट इज फैक्टराइजेशन। एंड फैक्टराइजेशन यू नो वेरी वेल फ्रॉम द क्लास 9th how to factorize splitting the middle term or by taking a square minus b square formula. So here we start with the first sum, x square minus 3x minus 10. You know, first you have to arrange the polynomial form, that is descending order. Now product of first and last is minus 10. So here we write product we need minus 10 and sum we need minus 3. Either you write 3x and then write x square. We are not writing x square and x. Now factorize this minus 3 in two parts. Split minus 3 in two parts such that the product is minus 10. So very simple, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. But before applying this, just check here, minus 5 and 2, minus 3 correct, minus 5 and plus 2, minus 10 correct. Then proceed, x minus 5, 2, x minus 5 equal to 0. And the best part is these two factors must be same. If these two factors are not same, it means there is some mistake. Now x minus 5 is common again, so x plus 2 equal to 0. The product of two polynomials is 0, it means either first one is 0 or second one is 0. If first one is 0, then x equal to 5 is the first answer. And if x plus 2 is 0, then x equals to minus 2 is the second answer. So finally 5 and minus 2 are the two answers. If you want to check, use the rough column and check it very easily by substituting 5 in the question, then put minus 2 in the question. If you are getting RHS 0, yes, your answers or roots are perfectly correct. Now the second part. So in this way is a revision of actually class 9th. Last step is extra, otherwise is a class 9th revision. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So this time we want product as 5 root 2 into root 2, that is 10. And sum we need 7. Very simple again, 5 and 2. So here we write root 2 x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. Correct? Now in these two, what is common? You know, the meaning of 2 is root 2 and meaning of 5 is root 5 root 5. Correct? So here we can write root 2 x square plus root 2 root 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. लिखना चाहे तो लिख सकते हैं, नहीं लिखे तो कोई बात नहीं. Root 2x common, remainder only x plus root 2x common, so root 2. Again 5 common, so x plus root 2. These two factors are same, it means we are on the correct track. So x plus root 2 again common and root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Either this one 0 or this one 0. If this one equal to 0, then x minus root 2 first answer, and if this one 0, then minus 5 upon root 2 second answer. You may rationalize it by multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2. This will be the final answer. Easy. You want to check, then substitute here. You will get the same RHS 0. Now the next sum. First we have to take the LCM. What is LCM? 8. So multiply the whole equation by 8. Because 8 into 0 is 0. Now the product is needed 16 and sum is needed 8. Directly we can write 4x minus 1 the whole square. You know the formula, a square, b square and 2ab. Whole square is 0, it means 4x minus 1 is also 0. It means 4x equals to 1 or x equals to 1/4. Then you have to repeat the answer because whole square same equal two roots. That is x equals to 1/4 and 1/4. Easy. Next is ab x square plus b square x minus ac x minus bc equal to 0. Open the bracket. Now factorize. What is common? Bx is common. Remaining ax plus b minus c is common, remaining ax plus b. See, these two factors are same. Ax plus b again common, and bx minus c. So either first bracket 0 or second bracket 0. If first one is 0, then x equals to minus b by a. If second one is 0, x equal to c by b. These are the two answers. Next up is not a direct quadratic equation but a reducible form. Two methods for this one. First method, you can take the LCM and then proceed same. Second method, if this one we suppose as t, let t equals to x upon 1 plus x, then 1 upon t will be x plus 1 upon x, क्योंकि वो उसका पूरा reciprocal है. So here we can write t plus 1 by t equal to 34 by 15. After taking LCM, what we'll get? T square plus 1, 34 by 15. And by cross multiplication, 15t square plus 15 equals to 34t. Quadratic form, 34t plus 15 equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation, nothing is common, we can't take common any number. Hence, apply the splitting the middle term method in rough column. We want product as 225 and we want sum as 34. If this one is minus and the product is plus, it means both the factors must be negative and negative. It means this 34 divided in two parts which are smaller than 34. So here the method is simple prime factorization, 5, correct? Again 5, yes, 3. Now we have to adjust according to these prime factors inside the bracket. इनको अपने आप से adjust करना है कि हमको 34 मिल जाए. 25 and 9, 34. So here 15t square, 25t, 9t, 15 equal to 0. Because minus 25 and 9 minus 34 and minus 25 into minus 9 225. So the final answer 5t common, 3t minus 5. Again 3 is common, so 3t minus 5. See, minus 90 minus 50. 3t minus 5 again common and 5t minus 3 remaining. So from this one t is 5 by 3 and from this one t is 3 by 5. अभी आंसर नहीं आया, half the portion. Now what we assume earlier as t. t को हमने क्या माना था? t was x upon x plus 1 equals to 5 by 3, first option, and second option 3 by 5. First we solve this linear. 3x, 5x plus 5. This goes to this side. 2x equal to 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. Easy. Second, 5x equals to 3x plus 3. So 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 2. These are the two answers. बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, t में आंसर को छोड़ देते हैं, सोचे आगे आंसर. No, t is from our side. We assume this one to make it easy. इसको easy बनाने के लिए हमने ऐसा किया था. इसलिए t आंसर में नहीं है. आंसर तो हमको किसका निकालना है? x का ही निकालना है. Yes. Now the most important question of the day from previous year's board paper. Very good question. In this question, we are taking all x terms on one side and all constants on other side. Constants on other side, x related term on one side. Now after taking LCM, what we get? LCM बहुत अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Equals to a plus b. What we are getting? X and x cancel out, minus common. Here a plus b, ab, and here a plus b x into x. Now the important thing is given. A plus b is non-zero. And when a plus b is non-zero, we can divide both the side by a plus b. Since a plus b is non-zero. That's why dividing both the side by a plus b. So this will cancel out. Now cross multiply. Minus ab equals to ax plus bx plus x square. Now it is a simple quadratic. So quadratic is x square, ax, bx, ab. What is common? X. What is common? b. X plus a and x plus b, two factors. Now tell me, answers are minus a and minus b. If you want to check, you can substitute here for x minus a and minus b. Both the terms equal, LHS equal to RHS. Hence our answer is correct. Easy. तो फैक्टराइजेशन मीन्स रिवीजन ऑफ क्लास 9th पोलिनोमियल्स कर लेंगे. तो अब नोट करिए आज का होमवर्क. 5 क्वेश्चंस, 25 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स फॉर रिवीजन. अब जितनी मेहनत हम यहां से कर रहे हैं उससे डबल मेहनत आपको करनी है. यस, बोर्ड में अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, इसलिए रोज का काम रोज, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. टेक केयर. तब तक मिलते हैं. गुड बाय.